Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick Google Drive guide, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture. Yeah, the one that shows up on Drive, Gmail, and basically across your whole Google account. It's simple, but the settings are a little tucked away. So let's walk through it step by step. So first thing, make sure you're signed in. Then go ahead and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. If you don't have one yet, it'll just show your initial. From here, choose the option that says Manage your Google account. This takes you to the main settings area where all your personal info lives. Once this page loads, look on the left side and click on Personal Info. This is where your name, birthday, and your photo can all be edited. Under the Profile section, tap your current photo. A little window pops up where you can upload a new picture, or choose one you've used before. Just select the image you want, adjust the crop, and hit Save. And that's pretty much it. Google might take a minute or so for the new picture to show up everywhere. Drive, Gmail, YouTube, all that. But it does update across your whole account. So yeah, that's how you change your profile picture in Google Drive using the latest 2026 layout. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching.